but it better look like, feel like baby skin. Like I want it to feel like the fur of all baby animals in a non-creepy way for the price point of this. You know what I mean? Like, oh, I just powdered my eye, like on my under eye, and like a freaking hair shedded into my eye. So now my eyes are all red. Just this one. So anyways, welcome to my channel. My name is Stefania if you're new here. So I thought today we would do a cozy haul. I don't know how many people are going to be interested in this, but I thought I would share my favorite cozy things. Things that like are staples in my life. I was going to say my collection, but I'm like, no, my life. But we will also be doing a review of the Skims cozy collection in here as well. So if you are interested in this video, please don't forget to subscribe down below. I would really appreciate it. And let's go ahead and get started. I'm so excited about this one. Woo. Okay, I had to record this part separately since the box was not here yet. So I just got in last night. UPS rang the door at like 9 p.m. Okay. Don't they know I have to go to sleep? No, I'm just kidding. I was not sleeping, but I was in my underwear and I was like, no, not at this hour. So obviously I'm upgrading with my Skims. This is what I usually wear to sleep. So I'm really excited about this. It better smell. Nice, but it better look like, feel like baby skin. Like I want it to feel like the fur of all baby animals in a non-creepy way for the price point of this. You know what I mean? Like baby skins. That's what I want it to feel like. But I'm really excited. This is my first time ordering from Skims, so I did get the tank top and the robe, so let's go ahead and try it out. See what we think. Is it worth, is that worth my soul? Okay, I'm happy to report that they feel so nice and soft. It does feel like more expensive fabric than just like a normal like robe, like someone that I'm going to show you a little bit later, like even like the Pottery Barn I'll show you, or the one from Costco. Like this is nice material. It did say it's like made of like bounce yarn. I don't know what that is. Okay. My one thing is, I will say like, let me show you the whole view first. So this is a size small, and then I got the tank in a small as well. It hits me above the knee, so even at 5'1", I'm not like dragging it on the floor, which is great. And then it's got the little pockets. It feels so cozy. All right, I'm gonna throw the tank top on with some jeans. I will say like the one thing I don't love is, like I get that it's supposed to be cozy, you know what I mean? But like sometimes when sizes, like I feel like I should have sized down in the tank top just because there is no adjustable straps or anything like that. So I already feel it kind of like, you know, I'm one of those people that's going to drive me crazy. And I do think it's going to stretch out a little bit more because the material is so like stretchy. I'm worried that like in a few months this may not fit me. So I love it. It's super soft. And for right now, like it looks fine. Like I'm not complaining at all. But I'm just worried that it's going to stretch out to where I'm like, yeah. You know what I mean? I don't like that. So, but very, very cute. Like I said, I'm going to wear it with some jeans and see if we can, how that looks together. Because for $52, I want to be able to wear it more than just to lounge in the house. All right, so with jeans, it hits you like right, like for me at belly button level at 5 feet, 5'1". It's kind of, but definitely not like super cropped. But you guys can see like I don't have a bra on. It fits really comfortably. I'm just saying like I prefer my tops just to be a little bit tighter, especially with that in mind that it might stretch. But with jeans, I feel like it's cute. Don't trip. Like I just put some boots on and I'm like, okay, we're good to go. Like I feel like you really could just take out the robe, like just take out the tie part and use it as a cardigan. And I mean, maybe not in this size. I did get the black one in an extra small. It just hasn't gotten here yet. I definitely feel like I could have gotten everything in an extra small size. They do run like not flowy big, but like big enough to where I feel like I could have sized down and still been really comfortable. You know what I mean? But I'm definitely going to keep the robes are my favorite. The tank top, I don't know if I'm going to order a size smaller. Like I said, I think it fits me now, but you guys can see like even when I just move, it's kind of falling down. I don't know. Would you guys wear this out? Or are you like, no, you look like you're in a robe? Or, you know, I don't really care. Okay, I have no shame, especially going to like the movies. Like, Like, this is perfect for me. So in terms of if I recommend it, I would say, like, if you, obviously, if you want to sell your soul, yes. I think it's worth it. I think the material is really nice. The only one I'm worried about, obviously, is the tank top, of whether it will stretch out too much. Like, if the robe stretches, like, you're fine. It's not a big deal. But the tank top, like, I don't want to not be able to wear it considering the price point of it. And that's why I was worried about getting the pants, because I was like, let me try on the rest of the stuff first. Quality-wise, I think it's really good quality. It feels so good. This is my new uniform, okay? But this is my first time ordering from Skims. I had a good experience, other than the fact that, like, I feel like you have to, like, race to get anything. But I will say, the one thing I was a little bit like, oh, everything was just, like, wrapped like this. And I'm just like, oh, I was expecting some nice tissue paper or something, you know, a little more fancy than just plastic bags for the price point. I'm like, I would have liked it better in a cute little box, or I don't know if that's being ridiculous, but I just thought it was going to be a little bit prettier when, you know, presentationally. But overall, I am very, very happy with it. So I don't know. What do you guys think? Did you guys get one or not? Would you wear it outside of the house? Because I'm going to. I don't care. Okay, so I didn't get the Skims pants. One, they were $88, and I was just like, oh no. Not to say, like, we'll see if I think it's worth it when I try on the other stuff, but I also already have these pants. So this is, just understand, okay? Cozy doesn't always mean cute. Cozy just means cozy. So these are from Express. They are very soft material. And I feel like they were just reminded me so much of the pants from the Cozy collection. And the thing is I was scared with the Cozy collection because I was like, if I'm paying $88 for pants, I'm 5'1", and it's not like they had different sizes for, like, in terms of length. So I'm really scared they're gonna drag on the floor a lot, and I'm like, I don't want to pay that much for those. And they didn't have a drawstring, so I was like, are they gonna stretch out over time? Because usually fabrics like this do stretch. So I like that these ones have the little drawstring on them, but they are from Express. You will see them on a little try-on. Like I said, this isn't about attraction, okay? This is about living your life comfortably. So I have the sweaters that I usually wear that look like this. These are from Express. I was really sad that they don't have them in stock this year, but they are my favorites. I have multiples of these. Like, I feel like sometimes it looks like I'm wearing the same color, but I get these in every color when they release usually. But anything from Express that says, or any store, I always type in chenille. That is my favorite fabric in general. Like, I'm always looking for more clothes in that style. It's just that really soft to the touch feel. They're not all rated equally, but they did have some. I know that they have it at Kohl's. They have chenille sweaters at Target. Pretty much anywhere I will just look, search bar, chenille. You will thank me. But yeah, these sweaters, at least I feel like they look nice and they're cozy. It's hard to find both, you know what I mean? But I feel like these are actually, like, really cute sweaters, and they look good. You know, I like the balloon sleeves. They're just super comfortable. All right, next up, I feel like a lot of people have talked about this. Like, I feel like it was on a blog and then it kind of blew up. This is from Thread and Supply. I only got this during the Nordstrom sale, though. I would not pay full price for this. I mean, actually, I kind of would, because it is that warm. Like, if I literally got this because we were going to Iowa for Christmas, and I was like, no, like, I don't do well in cold. So I don't care that it's not flattering. It's not flattering. Okay, there's nothing flattering about this. It's very boxy. It makes you look a little fat. Like you look fluffy. But in those situations, when I'm in, like, snow, I very much appreciated having this, regardless of the fact that it wasn't cute. Like, I was just like, it's fine. It's so nicely thick, and it's lined. It's definitely way thicker than, like, ones that you can find dupes for. So I 100% recommend getting this. I got it at Nordstrom, and I believe it was, like, at least $20 off. So during the sale, regardless if it's summer, you plan ahead, okay? You plan ahead for the cold. I would die. I don't know how people live in cold weather. All right, I got two robes. I got two robes from Costco. No, they're not both from Costco. This one is from Costco. I wanted to give you guys, like, alternative options because the other ones are expensive, like $128 for a robe. I'm gonna live in that thing. you know, but this one was, I believe, like $30, and it's one of my favorites. I struggle with robes sometimes because I'm like, I can't really put like stuff like this on after the shower. You gotta dry yourself off. I've almost been looking for like a towel robe type thing, but then those aren't soft. So I can't have it both ways, you know? So you gotta dry yourself off. But I wear this one almost every morning. Like, I wake up out of bed and I'm just like, eh. Like, I don't like it. Yes, I live in Arizona, okay, but it's been in the 50s and in the 40s in the morning, okay? And we don't turn on the heat in this house. We save some money because we need that for the air conditioning in the summer way more than we need it for the winter. But I like this robe. I like that it doesn't touch the floor. So Costco has some pretty good deals, and I find this to be super comfortable. Is it like the most attractive thing? No. But what I have found is, you guys will see the Pottery Barn in a second, but I like robes without hoods on them. Hoods to me look cute, but where are you going to where you need a hood on a robe? Like, you're not generally walking outside the house, so it's not like you're gonna need it for rain or snow or whatever. So I'm kind of like, why do we, they just look cute, but you're never actually gonna wear it. Maybe you do, you tell me. But I find it more comfortable because I'm on this on the couch, and if I lean back, I don't want that bunching and like that uncomfortable, why is my hair like this? Why? But I don't want that uncomfortable bunching when it comes to laying on the couch or anything where I have to like pull the robe up and fix it. So these are perfect for me. Definitely affordable, super soft. So if you're looking for something that's still soft and affordable, Costco, as my dad would say, is amazing. All right, next up we have I feel like Jaclyn Hill was the one who like put this thing like on a map. I will say the sleeves are very big on me, so I have to like constantly roll them up. But I will say it is a nice robe. It is soft. The one from Costco, though, is just as soft. The only thing is I mean, the fur detailing is so cute. It makes me feel so luxurious and expensive and just like, you know, like I'll get shit done in this robe. You know what I mean? Like, it gives me that confidence when I put it on. I know that sounds weird about a robe, but it's true. Only thing is, it does have the hood that does get in my way, and I'm also always scared to wear it because I'm scared to get it super dirty. Whereas like the $30 one, I'm like, whatever, you know, I'll just throw it on the ground. This, I hang it up. But that's not even really like my issue with it. It's more, this part isn't as comfortable. It's a little scratchy, not much, but also price wise, know that I did not pay $149 for this robe. Okay. Usually on Pottery Barn's website, you can find these and they're like $80. So they're not as expensive as they seem. And then I got them in like February. I went to the store and they were 50% off the 80. So I paid like 40 to 45 bucks for this. So for that price range, I love it. Like, I almost really want the gray one, but I'm like, I barely wear this one. I don't regret it by any means because it's still, like I said, it's just one of those pieces for me. But I wear the other one for everyday comfort, to be honest. Why did I think I could wear white? I love white things. I just can't wear them. Next up is some Target stuff. Target has some good deals. So this sweater, you guys have seen me wear like the Coca-Cola, the Siempre Coca-Cola sweater in red, but I get a lot of these like crew neck sweaters from Target, especially when they're on sale. They aren't the most attractive things, but they're just more like I lounge around the house in them, so it's fine. Or go to the dog park, or I actually do a lot in sweats. Like, I'll be like, I'm gonna get dressed up to go to the movies, and then I'm like, I'm not getting dressed up to go to the movies. It's cold. Like, the movie theaters are always cold. Those in airplanes, I'm just like, I look like trash. Okay, no one's gonna find me attractive in any of those situations. And then, my next favorite. Did you think we were gonna do a cozy haul without pajamas? And better yet, Harry Potter pajamas. They are so soft. Like, these are from Target. They were the best purchase, I believe, of the year. Like, super soft. They're like perfectly baggy. Oh, if you guys could feel me right now, not in a creepy way, like, these are amazing. And it's got the matching pants with the drawstring. And then, like, I love that the bottoms have a little cuff. It's not too tight, but, like, you know, being short, things drag on the floor. So I am in heaven with these. Like, I got them for my sister that's deployed. She better appreciate them, okay? Like, the Harry Potter love in Saudi Arabia for you, Katie. But look at how cute these are. All right, I got these bras off Amazon. Okay, they are not the cutest things, but they have like thicker straps. My boobs were really hurting when I was sleeping, so I needed to get like a more supportive bra than just like a usual strapless one, like the one I used to wear. I didn't wear a strapless bra. That would not have worked out. But these are actually fairly supportive while still being comfortable. They don't dig in anywhere. So I wear them around the house, or I'll wear them to sleep in every night, or else I just wake up with my boobs being so sore if I don't. Especially like if I don't have a bra and it's cold, like I feel like I like sleep like this, and I push them together, and then I wake up and I'm just like in pain. So this really helps. Like I said, even my husband's like, those are ugly. So, you know, if you don't want to have sexy time, you put some of these on. No, I don't do that. I put it on after. But you know what I mean. I'm so scared someone in my family's going to watch this. All right, I got my last few suggestions, which I feel like any of these would be good Christmas gifts. Everyone likes soft things, you know? But these are the socks they're from Express. They're dirty, so I don't want to like hold them up too much. But it comes with these cute little ball things. So really, I wear these around the house in a t-shirt 98% of the time. But they are so nice and cozy on the inside. I have seen these at Target, at Kohl's, like a lot of stores carry these, even Walmart probably. These are from Express, these specific pair. I do feel like they're a little bit more expensive at Express, but they're also warmer. So it's kind of up to you, but softness wise, they have them at the other stores, so it just depends on your level. Like I'm awful with cold, so I don't mind paying a little bit more. And then last ones, I just got these the other day because I've been getting these from Target. They don't have the longest shelf life, but they work, you know? I can't stand having my feet be cold. And I have the Grinch ones for Christmas. I love these. I really do. They have lasted me. For some reason, the Grinch ones are better quality than the cute ones. Okay, I don't know why that is, but I don't care. I'll wear them all year round. But yeah, these are just cute little slipper sock things. They have the little things on the bottom so you don't slip and fall. I'm not gonna lie, the other socks I like act like I'm Top Gun and run around. I've never actually seen the movie, I just know that part. And I slide around the house towards the dogs to see if I can scare them. But these are they're not expensive at all. I think they're like $5 is what these are. So I like these more than socks, is what I'm trying to say. And they're so cute. But yeah, I'm gonna stop there because I could ramble on and on. I have way more than just this. Like I could talk about blankets, I could talk about pillows, I could talk about anything comfortable. I'm a very that's why I'm not like a full online shopper, because I need to feel things all the time. I'm creepy like that. But I hope you guys were interested in this. What are your favorite cozy things? Recommend me some stuff. Hopefully you liked it. Please hit that like button if you did. Please don't forget to subscribe before you leave. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.